Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Parkside Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner 20 volt, the model PHSSA 20 LIC1. Where unit only, battery and charger are not included, you need to buy them separately. It is compatible with all batteries in the Parkside X20 volt team series. Dirt intake, wet and dry. Suction power, it is 3500 PA. Capacity of the tanker is 0.65 liters. Runtime, it is about 70 minutes with a 2 ampere hours battery and 34 minutes with the 4 ampere hours battery. Well, if you're going to buy the 8 ampere hours battery, definitely the time will go about 70 minutes. 8 ampere hours battery, double the capacity from the 4 ampere hours. For all these batteries I have made a video, you can check down below to the description or after the end of this video. Included some accessories, compact handheld vacuum cleaner with the additional floor vacuum function. 3 years warranty, it has a washable cartridge filter, you can use it as a handheld vacuum or as a floor vacuum cleaner. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it. See how well it can clean. Find out the suction power, all that. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. At the past I have made a video about this vacuum cleaner, but was only this unit without all these accessories, was a different model. If you want, you can check it down below to the description or after the end of this video. Now let's see one by one the accessories. We have the extension hose, 46.5 centimeter, it is the length. Next we have the floor nozzle, some wheels here, 4 wheels, rubber. At this area you can rotate up and down 360. Next we have the grease tool. It goes at tight areas, you can clean your couch, your car, so many areas. Next we have the wet nozzle, rubber at the front. Next it is the brass nozzle. You can clean your couch, the seating area at your car, at the back side of your car. You can clean your furniture because it has brass, it is soft. And here we have the nozzle holder. Nice, very convenient. I like that. And at the vacuum, we have the on-off switch. This button releases the container. We have the filter. Remove the filter, HEPA filter, you can wash it, clean it. Rubber around here, prevents any dust or water go at the motor. It's very secure. The container. We have this nozzle at the front. That is very helpful. Just press and it locks. The motor. Press and lock. You can screw it at the wall if you want. And here it is the connection for the battery. As I said, you can use whatever battery you want, 2, 4 or 8 ampere hours. It is your choice and it locks. Nice suction power. And you can remove very easily the battery. There is then the 8 ampere hours, the larger battery from Parkside. Nice. And of course you can connect all these nozzles directly at the vacuum. It is your choice how you want to use it. The same as that. Or you can connect the hose and then connect at the hose all the accessories. Nice. Well, let's clean my place, see how well it can clean it, find out the suction power. Now I have some things at my table from my kitchen. Lentils, rice, cornflakes, bread, ordinary stuff from your kitchen, guys. And let's clean it. I like the comfortable handle with a non-slip soft grip here. It feels very well at my hand. Nice, definitely it has power. Nothing will miss from this vacuum. And of course you can use it and clean your carpet, your tiles, whatever you want with this extension hose. Nice, I like it. Only with one pass and he's doing an amazing job cleaning all the carpet. Thumbs up. You can use it and clean your couch with this soft brush. Or you can use this nozzle that it goes on tight areas. And clean everything. And after cleaning any dust and any dirt, remove the container. We can see so clean around. So many things. And you can see here and the dust around. You can clean this, wash it, pull that. Well, let's do that. And there it is, clean like new, and the container and the filter. Now I would like to try and the wet cleaning. Using the wet nozzle. And here we have water on the floor. Nice, clean it until the last drop of water. Now let's check in the container. I don't see any water at the motor. Not even here around. It is very dry. I like that. Now let's remove the filter. And we can see there's the water inside. Nice. Let's see in the filter. You can see the filter, it is very dry. I don't feel any moisture. Nice, I think it's doing a good job sucking all the water from your floor, from any area. Nice. Well guys, that was all about this cordless handheld vacuum cleaner 20 volt. It costs 30 euros. I think it's a value of money for the things that it can do. If you have a Parkside battery and charger, If you don't, that means you need to give about 25 euros for the 2 ampere hours battery and the charger. If you decided to buy the 4 ampere hours, you need to give about 35 euros. And if you decide to buy the 8 ampere hours with a charger, then you need to give about 65 euros. But as I said, if you have a Parkside power tool and battery, definitely is worth the money. Just buy it and do your job. Cleaning your place, at your home, at your store, at your garage, basement, wherever you want, at your car, at your camping, at any outdoors or indoors activity, because it is portable, it has battery, and it can go anywhere. Now let's make a comparison with the oldest model. We can see the oldest model doesn't have this nozzle at the front, different design for the container. About the motor, I can see it is the same. Even the screw that is holding up the wall, the vacuum, yep, correct. Total the same. I have checked the filter inside. It has the same filter with the newest model. And of course, the oldest model, it doesn't have these accessories. It comes only like that and having these accessories at the box. Well guys, if you want to check all about the oldest model, you can do that after the end of this video, right in the corner or down below the description. Nice. Now let's talk about the newest model. I'm sure you will interesting to buy the newest model, not the oldest. For me, definitely is doing an amazing job. If you need that kind of tool, definitely just buy it and do your job, clean any area. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.